So I wanted to change the wiper, my rear of my Outback, and I found I couldn't do it because this very non-standard wiper assembly. Now removing the old one is pretty simple. There's plenty of videos of how to do this online. It has a fairly large pin that's in here. You put it through here, and then you kind of put it right in this little lock here, and then swing it up. Sorry, hard to do single-handed, but that's it. Now notice that this has to fit in this kind of narrow window of the assembly mount. So I got my new wipers and wanted to try to find something like this, but none of the ones had the standard look that I have on the front. For the 14-inch Rain-X that I found, it had this really janky plastic thing, which I tried a number of different ways, and ultimately I tried cutting off and still couldn't fit in it because there's no central pin that you see in like the front mounts that you'd see with like the 26 and the 17. So what I did notice was that there's a track, which you can see right here, and what that holds is the rest of the wiper assembly. You can see it on here. It has like these little metal tiny springs on the existing one, and the new one has again this kind of channel. So what I did was I slid this old one out. I had to kind of take off the end and then slid out the new silicone assembly, and then I put it into the existing wipers, which were, I think, the Satellite or something like that, whatever, cheap. To do that, all I did was just plunk these guys out. So I pulled this one out, and then I pulled these metallic clips out, and I slid the old one out, and I put the new one in, and then it's pretty straightforward. Then it's just a matter of mounting it right in like you normally would. So it was pretty easy, and I was able to get everything done today.